Today I pledge with all my might I shall achieve you my potential inside. Yes, very good morning to everyone. Yes, very good morning. Good morning to everyone. Okay, keep standing for the warm up activity. Okay, ready all of you? 1 minute.
Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Stop! Tiger! Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, run, run. Run like a tiger. Stop! Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Stop! Elephant! Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop! Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Stop! Kangaroo! Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop! Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Stop! Crocodile! Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop! Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Stop! Eagle! Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop! Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Stop!
Well done. Very good, all of you. Now, all of you, come on, go drink 1 glass of water and come back. Dashwan. Very good, Dashwan. Very good, Hazel.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, ma, Jason.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, ma, Keshav. Next,
Yeah,
Radhya.
ma'am.
Very good, Radhyani. Good morning, Radhyani. Yes, good morning, ma. How is your health? Are you fine, Radhyani? எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? உடம்பு பரவாயில்லைங்களா? ஓகே, ஃபைன். ருத்வன். 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 Very good, Ruthvin. Very good, Ruthvin. Sarah. Sarah. Ananya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Sukriv Gautam.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Visha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika.
തണ്ണി കുടിക്കപ്പേക്കാ മാം.
Okay, ma, fine. Mahirni. Mahirni is absent. Okay. Mitra.
ഇരയമില്ല മാം.
Very good, Mitra. Taruneshwar.
ഇരയ മാം.
Tarneshwar, your camera is tilted, Tarneshwar. Varsha.
ഇരയ മാം.
Very good, Varsha. Vihan.
ഹേവായ.
Very good, Vihan. Thank you, children. Okay, today who is going to sing over for Inla ma'am? Who is going to sing? Ah. Okay. Sukri Gautam is singing. 1 minute, children. Sukri Gautam will sing over. Okay, come on, Sukri Gautam. Hmm. Louder. Hmm. He is so short.
So long. Oh,
Can he? Very good. Okay, next is under a web. Keshav, under a web. Keshav. No, no, under a web. Under a web. Under.
Under the way, beside the gate, peaceful by the hand, yes, it was in first the whisper to be, it yes, fire, has she.
Very good. Well done. Thank you so much. Next is Incy Wincy Spider. Who is going to sing Incy Wincy Spider?
Ma'am.
Yeah, Varsha. Incy Wincy Spider.
Incy spider up and down came
Watch the spider out.
put the fire out then up is the sun.
Out came the sunshine, dried up all the rain. Ah. Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Okay, very good, children. Okay, now we'll have a short recap of the 2-letter words that we have learned so far. Okay. Come on, all of you. What word is this? O-F. Off. Very good. O-N. On. Very good. A-S. As. Very good. A-S. As. Okay. Very good. A-T. At. At. I don't know whose audio is echoing. Can you please mute yourself? Next. Very good. Am. Well done. Good. Good, Makeshan. Uh. A. An. Very good. An. Hmm. In. In. Very good. In. Well done. Hazel, why don't you answer? Hmm. Listen, Ananya, listen. If. Very good. Very good, children. If. I think it. Very good. It. Very good, Mitra. The. Very good. The. He. Very good, Hazel. He. Hazel's audio only is echoing. He. Very good. He will use for boy or girl. Boy க்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோமா கேர்ளுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோமா boy very good okay next SHE SHE is girl no SHE 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 okay she we use it for girls okay children okay thank you so much. And today next we are going to learn about the concept we learned so far. So what are the types of animals we learned so far? Come on, tell me what are the type of animals? Farm animals. Who knows? Farm animals. Wild animals. Very good. Marine animals. Well done. Then extinct animals. Very good. Amphibian. Which is an amphibian? Which is an amphibian? It is amphibian. Frog. Very good. Next, reptiles. Okay, so all we have learnt about all these animals. Today we'll quickly have a recap of reptiles, amphibian, and extinct animals. Okay, children. So reptiles. How do they go? Reptiles. Why do we call them as reptiles? Because they crawl on the ground. Okay, on the ground or on the wall or on the tree. They crawl like this. Okay, so they are called as reptiles. The first reptile, what reptile is this? Fine, crocodile. Next? Tortoise. Good. Lizard. Snake. Chameleon. Very good, Sukri Gautam. Okay, what is the special feature of a chameleon? What is the special feature of a chameleon? என்ன பண்ணு chameleon? Yes? Yeah, chameleon will change its color. Yeah, very good, Mitra, Vihan, Sukri Gautam. It will change its color according to the environment. Okay. Next is extinct animals. Okay, extinct animals are the animals that doesn't exist now. Ipa kadave kadaya, they lived long ago, but now they do not exist. So in that category we have dinosaurs. Yes, dinosaurs, and there are many types of dinosaurs, which they are herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous too. Okay, some dinosaurs eat grass and leaves. Some dinosaurs eat the flesh of other animals, and some dinosaurs they even live in water, and there are flying dinosaurs too. You can see on the sky. There are flying dinosaurs too. Okay. And next is, what is this?
Apple.
Mammoth. Very good. Mammoth. Very good. Next one.
Dodo.
Dodo. Well done. It's a dodo. So all these three animals are extinct animals. Dinosaur, dodo, and mammoth. Okay. And next we are going to see the life cycle of a frog. And frog is an amphibian. Frog is an amphibian. It lives both on land and in water. Okay. So what is the first stage of a frog? Is eggs. First stage is the eggs, and the eggs turn into a tadpole. Tadpole looks like a fish. Okay, so that only they live in water. And then the third stage is froglet. Small frog, that is the froglet. In this stage, you can see a tail in the frog. Okay, and then finally the adult frog, where you cannot see the tail. Adult frog ஆனப்புறம் tail இருக்காது. Okay, after that they come and live on the land. Okay, so these are the four stages of a frog. Okay, children, now I want all of you to take your English notebook. Sorry. Take your English notebook, all of you.
வரேன் அம்மா.
Pulati.
Take your English notebook, everyone. Okay. Be ready with your English notebook. Before that, all of you look at the screen. Let your parents take your notebook. What is this? A T. What is A T? What is A T? I want all of you to answer, children, one by one. AT. Nobody should be in mute. I wanted to see all of you answering this question. AT. At. Very good. AT is at. Very good. Well done. Today we are going to see the AT words. That is at words. Okay. So the heading in your notebook will be at words. First you listen, children, and then you can copy down in your notebook. All of you keep your pencils down and notebook down. All of you look at the screen. Eyes on the screen. Come on, look at Vanilla Mom, everyone. Don't look here and there.
அங்கதான் பார்க்க சொல்றாங்க
Okay.
பாரு.
Yes. Ready? Kavi Kartika, keep your notebook down. Afterwards, you can write. First, listen. At word. Today we are going to see the at words. Okay. So what are all the at words?
அங்க
The
பாரு.
at. How will you read this word, children? Do you know how to read this word? Very good, Hazel. But how will you blend it? Blank should not. Okay, very good. Many of you know it is a cat. But how will you blend the word? You know it is a cat. But do you know how to read the word? You can identify it as cat. But how will you blend it? At. Cat. Sound of phonic sound of C is and at is at. At cat. Okay, at cat. Next one. Who knows to read this word? What is the phonic sound of B? At. At. At bat. At bat. Together you say it as bat. Okay. And the next word is H-A-T. What is the phonic sound of H? Ha. A-T. At. So ha at. Ha at. Hat. Ha at. Hat. Ha at. You know at is at. Okay. Ha and then at. ரெண்டுத்தையும் சேர்த்தோம்னா hat. Okay. Next word. What is the phonic sound of M? Very good, Hazel. at mat. Very good, ma Vihan. At mat. That is not ma at mat. It is phonic sound of m என்னது da ma கிடையாது. Okay, ma only sounds as ma. But only m இருந்ததுன்னா sound தான் வரும். Okay, so at mat. And then what is the phonic sound of p?
Pa.
Pa. Pa, pa, pa. And then per at. It is at. Per at. How will you say? Per at. Per at. Pat. What is pat? Yes, when you do a good job, your mama or your daddy will pat on your shoulder. Right? Very good girl. Very good boy. இப்படி தட்டி கொடுப்பாங்க இல்லையா? That is pat. Okay. And then next is what is the phonic sound of R?
Not.
At wrapped. At wrapped. எப்படி படிக்கணும்? Kavi Karthika and Dashwan Velan. Unless you listen, you will not know how to read a word. Playing both of you. Why? At rat. Why don't you answer both of you? விளையாடக்கூடாது, கவனிக்கணும். Okay. At rat. Okay. Next word. So what is this word? At sat. Sat na என்னது? உட்கார்ந்திருக்கிறது. Sit sat will say no sat. At sat. Okay. And then what all did I left? That's it, I think. Okay. So cat, bat, rat, hat, and then what is this? Very good. At fat. At fat. F at fat. Who said F at fat? No. What is the phonic sound of F? Okay. At fat. Okay, now all of you take your notebook, copy down in your notebook, children. And the heading is at words. So copy down in your English notebook, children. At words. Parents, write the heading. Write today's date, children. Today's date is 20-10-2121 and the day is Wednesday. Month is October. Spell and write, children. B-A-T, bat. First word is B-A-T, bat. Need not use capital letters, children. Write everything in small letters. B-A-T, bat. Parents, you can write one time and give it to them. One line fully. All these 8 words. One time you can write and give it to them. Let them see it and write the next time. Draw a column like this in the notebook. One side you write and give them. Let them see and write on the other side. Yes. What, ma Tarneshwar? என்னதுமா? What, ma Tarneshwar?
Words நிறைய இருக்கா மேம், நிறைய என்னால எழுத முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அழறா.
Chicho, you're a big boy, grown up boy. Such a good boy. Yes? Come on, write. I'll give you smiley. சீக்கிரம் எழுதில 8 words தான் இருக்கு 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 தான் இருக்கு மம்மி ஒன் டைம் எழுதி தருவாங்க நீங்க இன்னொரு வாட்டி எழுதுங்க கம் ஆன் குட் பாய்ல எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம் மம்மி will give you star and smiley in your notebook come on write one time parents write and give them in their notebook let them copy it the second time let them see and write Keshav, sit down, sit and write. B at bat. K at cat. At fat. H at hat. At mat. P at hat. R at rat. At sat. Yes, is it visible, children?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, who said? Visha, very good, Visha. Well done, Visha. Yes, very good, Vihan. Come on, read out the words, Vihan. Very good, Mitra.
ரீட் பண்ண சொல்றேன் மேம் ரீட் பண்ணு என்னது ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
No, no, not like that. B at turn படிக்க கூடாது. B at bat. At together. Okay, va?
நான் படிக்கிறேன்
B separately and at separately.
படி
Yes, very good, ma.
ஆட் படிக்கணும் குட்டி
Mm. Mm. H at hat illa. H at hat. Next. No. At. No. No. At. No. At, sat. Vihan's mom or dad, whoever is next to him, the way he should learn is this way. 18 at. He should not split single phonics. Okay,
Yeah,
if
okay,
he is
ma'am.
splitting out single phonics, then he will not be able to learn 4-letter words. It will be very difficult for him.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so he
Yeah.
has to separate it with the word which he had learned already. At,
Okay.
and, as and all, we'll be learning words related to that. So at that time, he should not separate it as as like that. Okay, the way
Okay,
I
ma'am.
told you now, you please give him practice in this way. Okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Thank you. Mitra, can you read the words for ma'am? No. 18 na என்னதுமா? At words only, no? So everything ends with the sound at. At ன்னா முடியும். Okay? So come on, read it out. Very good. 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 Well done. Good. Very good. Good. Very good, my children. Very good. Sa at sadler. At sat. Okay. Very good, Mitra. Continue practicing like this. Very good. Well done. Yeah, very good, Madashwan Velan and Kavi Kartika. Good. Next, Visha, come on, read these words. Parents, slowly let them read the word in this way. First phonics they have to separately say, and then next is the word. This is the letter phonic and this is the word. Okay. Then they have to blend it. Okay. Each phonic they should not separate each phonic. At is at. Together they should say it as at, and then this alone they should say it separately. And then they have to blend it together. Come on, Visha.
படிப்போம்மா. ஒரு phonics சொன்னது, ஒரு phonics சொல்றேன். இட்டு சொல்லக்கூடாது. At.
At. A sound is at. A sound is a. At.
At சேர்த்து சேர்த்து சொல்லு. At bad. C ஒரு phonics சொன்னேன். Okay. 80 என்னது?
At.
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 At சேர்த்தா at cat.
Next.
F ஓட phonics சொன்னேன். Okay. 80
At.
அது மட்டும் எப்பயுமே மேம் எத்தனை வாட்டி சொன்னாலும் அது இட்டுந்தா ரிஜிஸ்டர் ஆயிடுச்சு.
No, Mavisha, that is very important. A sound is a. E sound is E sound, that is I. I only you will get E sound. E to the mouth. My pet.
மேம் ஐடியும் இட்டு சொல்றா, ஏடியும் இட்டுன்னு சொல்றா.
No. Separately have to practice. Give practice to her. Okay.
Yes,
Repeated as slower practice.
Yes,
Okay. Thank you, Visha. Next, Jason. Come on, read this word.
ஜேசன் இந்த வார்த்தை வாசி. இது என்னது? வாசி. சொல்லு ஜேசன். இந்த ஃபுல் வார்த்தை இப்பதானே சொன்னேன்.
80. What is 80?
இது என்னது?
At. At.
என்ன? கவனிடா.
அச்சச்சோ.
என்னது?
At fat. Okay, ma Jason. Read slowly, no problem. Okay, Ananya, what is this word? At. At. Very good. Next is Kavi Kartika. What is this word? At. 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 Mat. Very good. Dashwan Velan. Her at. Pattern சொல்லி கொடுத்துருங்க. Who is there? Your daddy, yeah. Per at.
balloon.
Dashwan. Per at. Pat. Okay. Next is Radyani. At. 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 Rat. Rat. Very good. Sukriv Gautam. At. சவுண்ட் அப்புறம் at சவுண்ட் சேர்த்தோம்னா என்னம்மா வரும்? At Superman. Come on. At சேர்த்தா என்னம்மா வரும்? Come on. At sat. Okay. At is sat. Okay. Thank you, children. Now next we'll do our worksheet. Can anyone please check and tell me this worksheet number whether we have finished? D72 CT. D72 CT. Finished?
Finished, ma'am.
Finished?
D72
Okay.
CT, right? Finished.
Finished. Okay. That is that different dinosaur we have to circle. That one finished, right?
Yes, ma'am. That is finished.
Okay. Now next take the worksheet number D74 empty, children. D74 empty. Number is 53 and 54. D74 empty. D74 empty. Number 53 and 54. Count the group of tens first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then after 50, 51, 52, 53. The same way for 54 also. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. 54, 54. 53, 53. Spell and write, children. 5, 3, 53. 5, 4, 54. While writing 53, spell it as 5, 3, 53. Yes, Varsha, what number you are writing? Eating, okay. Eat. Finish, swallow it and say.
Wait. See.
5, 3, 53.
Very good, 53. Very good.
3, 53.
What number you are writing, Sukrit Gautam?
4, 5, 4, 50.
50?
54.
54. Hey, 53 finish ah. 54 ಬಂದಾಚಾ. Good boy.
சொல்லு சி சொல்லு
What number you are writing, Rudvin? Hmm. Hmm? 54 எழுதுறீங்களா? Very good boy. Come on, write. What number you are writing, Ananya?
Finished, ma'am. Sir, 64.
Very good, Ananya. Very good, mark. Radyani.
Finished, ma'am.
What numbers did you write, Radyani?
5 for 2, ma'am.
54, 54 ah? 53 you didn't write? 53, 53 எழுதலையா?
53 எழுதியாச்சு.
Very good. 53, 53, 54, 54.
சொல்லு நீ எழுதலன்னா நான் என்னடா பண்ண முடியும்
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Good girl. What number is that, Kavi Kartika? What are the number you have written? What are the numbers that you have written?
53.
அப்புறம்
5 for 44.
ஆஹாஹா
54.
54. Very good. Dashwan என்ன பண்றான்? What is he doing?
எழுதி
எழுதிட்டு இருக்கான்.
Is he writing or crying? Crying, no cry baby. Very bad boy. Is Keshav finished? Very good, Keshav. Very good, Vihan. Okay, those who have finished, I want you to take D75 LT worksheet, children. Those who have finished. D75 LT. Okay, here you have Y and Z. First, trace the letters. Trace the letters Y and Z, and then you are going to circle the related picture. Y for yak, Z for zebra, again Y for yo-yo, and Z for zip. Come on, circle it and color it, children. Zebra, you need not color, children, because it is actually white and black stripe, so you need not color zebra. But the other pictures, that yak, yo-yo and zip, you can color. Yak, you can give black color. Yo-yo, as you wish, you can give any color. And then zip, any color, black or brown. D75 LT. Write today's date in each and every worksheet you write, children. If you are not able to write your name also, but please write the date, whatever worksheet we are doing. In each and every worksheet, write down the date. D75 LT. First, trace the letter Y and Z. and then start circling. After circling only you should color, children. In between itself you should not color. First finish circling and then at last you color. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Zebra. And then again Y for yo-yo. And then again Z for zip. Parents, for tomorrow's activity, I need any material that has zip in it. Okay, so tomorrow's activity will be zipping and unzipping. So please be ready with that. Any material, any dress or any object or purse or handbag, whatever it is. Okay, but it should have a zip in it. They are going to zip it and unzip. Okay, for tomorrow's activity. Finish, Hazel.
Hey, finished, ma'am.
Very good, Hazel. Coloring also finished, children? Very good, Mataraneshwar. Finish. Hazel. Finish, Hazel. Finished your
Yes, ma'am.
worksheet.
Yes.
Okay, I want you to try reading this sentence.
Read. Start from here.
Yeah, very good, Dashwa.
Mm.
It. Mm.
Next.
Mm.
Next.
Mm.
This one. This one. See. C-A-T.
How will you read this word? Cat. Okay, very good. How will you read this sentence? It is, you know, and then at cat. Okay, it is a cat. Okay, fine. Thank you, Hazel. Next. Very good, Hazel. Ah, assuming this girl. Naughty girl. Okay.
Ma'am,
Next.
she looks.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am, she's assuming a thing.
Yeah,
When she
assuming.
D-A-T,
One
she
time I
immediately
said
said that.
cat is cat. Then
Ah.
looking at the first word itself,
Hat.
it is bat. This is hat.
Yes, ma'am.
No, Hazel, you will make mistakes when you go through other words, okay? You have to blend it, okay, ma? Very good, Hazel. Next, who else finish? Vihan finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read this sentence, Vihan.
I sound
IT.
IT.
என்னது
ம்
I.
இது என்னம்மா
E.
ஈத்து என்னது
It.
ம்
H. H. A.
ம் ம்
P. A.
Bat.
Bat.
Bat. Very good. Thank you so much.
அதான்.
And then Varsha, try reading this. Mm.
It.
Mm.
Is.
Mm. A. Her at.
What is this?
H.
Her at. Hன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாதுமா. Her at. What is her at together? தூரத்து பாருங்க. Her at. Hat. It is a hat. Very good, Varsha. Thank you. Mitra. Mm. Mm.
This man.
Mm. Hey, very good, Mitra. Very good. Next, who finished now? Keshav. Keshav. Yes, very good, Radhyani. Come on, read this sentence, Keshav. IT. Mm. Eat. Eat is a b at bat. B at bat. It is a bat. Okay? It is a bat. Jason, can you read this last sentence? Mm.
I did it.
Mm.
I ate it.
Mm.
A.
Mm.
Hmm.
Eight.
It's sounded. Okay.
Her
The
at.
Then
What
say
is her at?
hat.
Very good. It is a hat. Good boy. Very good. Well done. Okay. Finished, children, all of you? Have you all finished your worksheet? Yes or no? Yes or no? Finished your worksheet? Okay, fine. Tomorrow, as I said, be ready with any dress or bag or whatever it is, but it should contain a zip in it. Okay, children? So tomorrow we'll be doing the zipping and unzipping activity. So be ready with that. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye, everyone.
Bye.